I gained 10,000 followers in my first week of owning an Instagram theme page, and here's how I did it. Thank you guys for joining me for yet another video. Now, if you are only just discovering one of my videos, I'm Ryan. I build and monetize Instagram theme pages. I want to also put a disclaimer out there that I am not selling you guys a course in this video or any of my other videos. That's not me. All I ask in return for all this free advice is that you go down below, smash the like button, and comment some video ideas for me in the comments down below. I'm always looking for new ideas for videos, so this will be really helpful, guys. Now, enough rambling from me, let's get straight into this video now. First of all, I wanted to sort of provide some context about who I am, what I do, and how I do it. So I have had previous theme pages before, which have hit just over 80,000 followers now, I think.
Ooh, you're hard, showing off.
But we're not going to be talking about that theme page. We're going to be talking about this new one I have that hit 10,000 followers in a week. These are just crazy numbers for me, and I'm very, very excited to share this with you. In this video, I'm going to be completely transparent. I'm not going to hide anything from you guys. I'm going to be telling you guys straight facts. So first of all, I wanted to touch on my old page. So this is my old page. I still have it, but it's my older page. So I created this page because I used to create logos for other people. I designed someone's merchandise who was at GTR account. I designed all his merchandise for him, and he gave me this username, which is Nissan GTR World, as we can see here. This username was great, and I was very appreciative that he gave me this and also some money on top of that. So I had had this page for about 6 months before I created my new page. You guys may be asking me, why have I created a new page if I already had one that was successful? And to be straight with you guys, there's a lot more potential in this new page. My old page was very specific for a specific car, but this new one is a full Japanese car, so there's a wider range of people who really enjoy the content. So you may be asking me, what is the page and how did I come up with the username with it? So this is the page, the @ is jdm.core, and you're wondering, how did I come up with this username? I'm going to tell you right now. First of all, I actually wanted to call it JDM Hub, but this was already taken, so I tried some distant ways of saying hub, and I used a thesaurus to do this, and I found that core came under that. I wanted to call it JDM Core. That was taken, so I had to settle with jdm.core. Normally, I don't like to put dots or underscores in my name, but this one worked for some reason. My next focus was completely optimizing my profile for SEO. I focused on my profile picture and my bio mostly. So with my bios anyway, I focus on the emoji and then a little line and then a sentence layout. I always like the fourth line to be a call to action. Here's an example of what this looks like from my old page, and then here's me replicating it on my new page. Once I got a bio all locked down, I focused on my profile picture. I went to find a really great image to sort of stand out from the competition. So therefore, I settled with this image. This is a great image, I think, and sort of drags the attention of the user to it. So in terms of posting frequency and timings, this is them. I was posting 5 feed posts per day and also 2 reels on top of that. I was posting my feed posts at 9 AM, 12 AM, 3 PM, 6 PM and 9 PM, and then I was posting my reels at 4 PM and 6 PM. The actual content I was posting was all viral content. Viral content is pretty much content that I've stolen from another page, which has done really, really well for them. Of course, I get credit for this as well, but if the content's done well on their page, I'm going to repost it because it's guaranteed to do well on mine as well. Okay guys, I'm going to turn down the music here because this is where it starts to get crazy. One day, out of the blue, in the first week, I posted a reel, and this reel absolutely blew up. So compared to my other posts, this reel got about 4 million views, and compared to my other ones, which are only getting about 10,000 views, this was just crazy. This got me roughly 10,000 followers in about a week, which was just absolutely mind-blowing. I actually believe I hold the record for the most followers in 1 week. If anyone would like to challenge me for that, feel free to. I do have some future plans for this page which are very, very interesting, and you guys would want to hear them, so stay around for that as well. But first, before we dive into that, have you guys liked this video yet? Make sure, if you haven't already, to go down below and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. This really does help my videos to be pushed out to more people, and I really do appreciate it, guys. Cheers. So, my future plans for the page. I'm actually going to be using both my pages to build a brand with a partner. This partner has had many, many pages before, and he also owns a load of car pages, as I do. As our sort of first statement for this brand, we are going to be actually giving away a Mercedes. This is just crazy, and I know you guys won't believe me for this, but this is actually true. I will show you this down the line a bit when we sort of get things rolling. For now, I actually want to use both these pages to sort of test money-making methods for you guys. I want to prove that I can make money online, and I do make money on Instagram. I want to do this in a way that you guys learn it as well, and so you guys can replicate it. So first of all, I'm going to be going through and drop shipping. I'll put a little diagram up now, but drop shipping is pretty much where you are taking a product from AliExpress, which is a Chinese distributor. You're making a Shopify-based store around it, and then you're promoting that Shopify-based store on your Instagram page. And once your followers purchase a product from your Instagram page, from your Shopify store, that gets shipped straight from AliExpress to the customer. And because you get free advertising, because you own the theme page, you're going to make all the money in between. If you're wanting to scale dropshipping, you can purchase promotions from other pages in the same niche, but because you already own your own page, you don't really need to do that unless you really want to take things seriously and upscale. So next off, I also really want to try affiliate marketing. Currently, I'm already doing this for a page, but I'm not really taking it too seriously. I'm only doing it once every month or something. I want to spend a solid month just going at it crazy and seeing what results I can get. If you want to see sort of a video of me going through my experience in that 1 month of me going through affiliate marketing and just going crazy, then feel free to comment it down below. So next, I'm going to be selling shout outs on this page. I'm going to spend a solid week just cracking at them, selling people shout outs, just DMing loads and loads of small pages, and it's asking if they want to buy my promotions. I might even document this as well. So if you also want to see that, comment it down below. I'd be happy to do that. Now you're expecting me to say courses next, but I'm not going to say that. Courses just won't work in this niche, and I'll explain why now. If you think about what you're going to buy when you get a course, you're going to buy courses that actually teach you something. What can you learn in a car niche, except if you want to be a mechanic? But I'm not a mechanic, so I can't even do that. I'm just a guy who likes posting Instagram stuff, and I'm not a trained mechanic, so I can't create a course on something that I don't know about. So therefore, I'm not going to include courses in this trial, but I will do courses if I create another theme page, which is going to happen in the future very, very soon. Also, I'd like to touch on making this theme page my main page in the future over my Nissan GTR World 1. I feel this JDM decor just has a lot more potential, to be honest, and this is a more long-term page and will help me out more in the long term, creating money and cash flow. And to make this my main page, I'm gonna have to do a few things to sort of up my game a little bit. These couple of things straight away I'm noticing I need to do is gonna rebrand my page. I'm gonna need to completely rebrand, new logo, new highlight section, and just a new sort of color theme I'm gonna go for. Now that my page has got to a certain level, I'll need to just up my stakes a little bit and up my posting frequency as well. So right now I'm only posting 5 feed posts per day and 1 to 2 reels per day as well. I want to increase this frequency, so I'm posting 6 feed posts per day and 3 reels per day. This may sound very intensive, but I'm going to be using Facebook Creator Studio to sort of schedule my feed posts, and I'm going to be doing my reels manually. To actually save my content, I use a Google Chrome extension for my feed posts, and I use a repost app on my Instagram page on my phone. If you guys want to know more about how to get your content, safely download it and schedule it, I'm going to be happy to make a video on that, so comment that down below. Now, I also wanted to sort of touch on something very important at the end of this video. I'm going to be making a new series, which is me going from 0 to 100,000 followers on a theme page. I need your guys' help to decide which niche I should go into. Please, 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 if you haven't already, go down below and comment what niche you think I should create a theme page in. This would be really helpful. It can be as hard niche as you want and just anything that you're interested in. You guys can use this sort of series as a sort of a template or a blueprint as such for you to be creating your own theme page step by step. So to sort of summarize this video, the way I got 10,000 followers was hard work, luck, and also reels. Reels did really well for me. They played a big part. Now guys, we are at the end of the video, and I've noticed only about 10% of my audience are actually subscribed. If you guys could right now go down below and subscribe, that would really mean a lot to me. You can always unsubscribe if you change your mind. And last but not least, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. This really does help my videos to be pushed out to a wider audience. And feel free to stick around at the end of this video to see my most recent video. So yeah, I'll see you around guys. Cheers.